Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Inviting all of you to the video series of Expert in Python Automation using Pytest-Playwright. My name is Rajesh. In this video, I am going to discuss about Pytest Fixtures Part 2. Next one is Scoped Fixtures. Fixtures can have different scopes. Here the user can define the scope of the fixtures. There are 4 different types of scopes in fixtures. First one is function scoped fixture. So this will run once per test function. This is the default fixture. The second one is class scoped fixtures. This will run once per test class. So class is nothing which contains functions and member variables. Next one is module scoped fixture. So this will run once per test module. So the module means it is one Python file. So each Python file, this module fixture will get executed. Each py files are called modules. Next one is session scoped fixture. So this fixture will execute only once per test session, which means before all the test starts, this fixture function will get executed. So this session scoped fixture will execute only once per test execution. This is one of the example for the scoped fixture. If you see this fixture annotation, we have passed scope within the bracket. So if you see here, we passed scope equal to module. So this represents the module scoped fixture. I will demo how to use the scoped fixture in VS Code. The first one is function scoped fixture. To make this function to the function scoped fixture, we have to pass the parameter scope equal to function. So now this fixture is converted to function scoped fixture. So now if you run this test case, for each function, this fixture will get executed. So I'll copy this test function twice so that we can see the difference. I'll change the name to test first program 1 and test first program 2. I will print a message in sample data also so that we will get to know where it is called. I'm just saying sample data executed. Same way, I'll print a message here also. Test first program executed. Here also, I'll make it as 2. And also to get the formatted output, I'll add one /n so that it will print in the next line. I have added /n in all the print statements. Let me run this program. You can see the output here. So sample data executed. First time it is printed before this test function. The sample data executed line is executed. After that, the first test case is executed. See, it is printed. After the completion of first test case, in the second test case also, sample data executed is printed. See, this method is called again one more time, and then second test case is executed. The second one is class scoped fixture. So class scoped fixture is going to execute just before the class initialization. So to make this fixture to class scoped fixture, you have to just change this function to class. So now this fixture is called a class scoped fixture. So how to see the execution? We have to define the classes. So now I'm going to define the classes. I'm going to create two classes. Each class I'm going to write one test function so that we can see the execution. So to create a class, we have to write the keyword class. And here we are going to keep our test functions. So the class also we have to start with the test class 1. Okay, enter this class. I'm going to keep this method. For now, I'm going to remove these steps. Just will print a message. That's enough. This is one class, and the second class is test class 2. So test class 1 contain test first program 1, and the test class 2 contains test first program 2. So both are just printing the message. Let's run this program. So class should start with the capital T test. And then only Pytest will recognize this is a test class. So always test class should start with the capital T test. So like this. That's the reason earlier it was not displaying. Now I converted to capital T test. So now it is displaying. Both the classes are displaying here. So each class contains one test functions. So let me run this program now. Now the test case is executed. If you see the output, oh, here there is a mistake. See, the sample data executed is not printed. Why? Because it is not able to recognize this fixture. This test method is not able to get the sample data fixture because if we use any class, we need to specify one more Pytest attribute. So we have to inform the test class saying that we are going to use the sample data fixture inside the test class. So for that, we have to specify one more attribute for each test class. Pytest dot mark dot use fixtures. Within bracket, we have to specify the fixture name. So we are going to use the sample data. Same way, this mark attribute, we have to specify in the second test class also. So that the compiler will get to know that we are going to use this sample data inside the test classes. Now I will run this test case. See, now the sample data executed is printed for both the class. Here I am stopping this video. You can watch the continuation in Pytest Fixtures Part 3. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please drop a comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my future videos. Stay connected with me for the next one.